5 things you should know before investing in crypto. Do you want to know the truth about cryptocurrency that influencers won't tell you? The harsh reality is this: crypto can make you a fortune, or it can wipe you out in an instant. Stick around, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to arm you with the 5 essential truths about investing in crypto. Truths that could save you thousands of dollars and possibly make you millions. Let's dive in. Understand the volatility. Imagine this. You're at a casino and the dealer tells you that you have a 50% chance of doubling your money and a 50% chance of losing it all. Would you bet your life savings? That's the crypto market in a nutshell. Cryptocurrency is a roller coaster ride. It's exciting, it's fast, but it's also incredibly dangerous. Prices can swing 20% in a single day. You need to ask yourself, am I emotionally prepared to handle that? Imagine explaining to your grandma why your life savings disappeared because of a tweet from Elon Musk. Awkward, right? Without a solid strategy, investing in crypto is like skydiving without a parachute. I'll tell you in point 3 how to avoid getting caught in these wild swings. Speaking of wild swings, let's talk about the why behind these crazy price movements. The influence of market sentiment. Did you know that a single tweet can send Bitcoin soaring or crashing? Welcome to the world of market sentiment. It's driven by hype, fear, and greed. One minute, everyone's shouting, "To the moon!" The next, they're yelling, "Sell, sell, sell." You're not just battling numbers, you're battling human psychology. Understanding this is crucial to staying ahead. Here's a question. Have you ever regretted a financial decision because of FOMO? That's the trap most crypto investors fall into. Don't let it be you. Picture your future self, a year older, wiser, and sipping coffee, wondering why you thought Dogecoin was a retirement plan. If market sentiment is unpredictable, how do you protect yourself? That's where the next point becomes your shield. The power of research. Imagine you're about to buy a house, but you don't check the foundation, the neighborhood, or even if it has running water. Sounds absurd, right? Yet many people invest in cryptocurrencies without knowing what they're buying. Crypto isn't just about numbers on a screen. It's about technology, teams, and real-world applications. For instance, Ethereum isn't just a coin. It's the backbone of decentralized apps. But here's the twist. Not every project is legitimate. Stick around, because in point 5, I'll reveal how to spot scams before they drain your wallet. Now that you know the importance of research, let's discuss timing, one of the most overlooked aspects of crypto investing. Timing the market versus time in the market. You've probably heard the saying, buy low, sell high. Sounds easy, right? But here's the catch. Timing the market is nearly impossible. Instead, think long-term. Bitcoin might drop tomorrow, but zoom out, and you'll see that its trajectory over the past decade has been overwhelmingly upward. Focus on time in the market, rather than chasing the perfect entry point. Unless you have a crystal ball, trying to time crypto is like trying to predict your ex's mood swings. Chaotic, and probably not worth the effort. But even with a long-term mindset, there's one more critical thing you need to know before jumping in. Security and scams. Here's a chilling fact. $4 billion was lost to crypto scams in 2022 alone. Yes, billion with a B. Hackers and scammers are everywhere waiting for the inexperienced. If a deal sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always store your assets in a secure wallet and double-check URLs before clicking on anything. Want to know the most common scam technique and how to avoid it? Here it is: phishing. Fake websites designed to look like legitimate ones. Always verify before you trust. Investing in crypto can be a game changer, but only if you play it smart. Avoid the traps, do your research, and protect your hard-earned money. Now, here's your next step. Like this video, subscribe for more wealth-building insights, and share this with a friend who's thinking about investing in crypto. Remember, the crypto world rewards the bold, but only if they're prepared. Stay smart, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.